You know that feeling after month 5 where it'll randomly feel like your crotch is getting struck by lightning? I used to think it was normal because I saw it happening to everybody, but the other day my OB completely proved me wrong. He told me it's happening because we're either overarching or slouching because of the weight shift. And I thought, oh, if I keep my posture straight, I'll be fine. But it's one of those things where it's way easier said than done. Which is why I decided to invest in a belly wrap like this one from Lustre Glow. Because unlike normal bands that just pick up your belly, it keeps your posture straight at the same time. I'd read the reviews before you get one, because that's what convinced me, but don't wait around, because once they start pre-orders, it'll take forever to come.